Hi people, Kay here. I'd like to introduce you my 4-tier K-Site project. That is a Python-built, fully automated folder transformation set of engines. Those would allow you to do various things with your desktop folders and GitHub repositories. First of them is a Keysight Public. That's a repository to website, static website running engine. Though that would allow you to have your repository represented as a static website like this. It will be rendered into HTML viewers, having some dynamic content and some other things with some navigation like back and home and even option to download files. That's a good solution for quick uploads when you don't have heavy coding resources to update your information. So you could apply it for public sites, I don't know, portfolios, and some other things. So the second solution is a Keysight private repository indexing engine that allows you to create a zip but with index. You can download normal zip, but you won't be able to know what's inside your folder unless you go through. Anyhow, once you download this one through a solution I have, you'll be able to get your zip with the index inside the zip folder. That would look like a static index tree, and you would be able to see something like this. Let's see both pairs of indexes, and it would allow you to skim through the files you have, so it works. And the other one is a static tree representing the same, just like for various people, various visual representation is more important. Anyhow, two of the other applications, they are of desktop nature, both available for Windows and Linux, and I'd start with index creation for a folder. So let's do it for my Windows video folder, which would do it like that, and you would have immediately same two pairs of indexes, and you would be able to see what's inside that folder. So it's dynamic, and the second one is static, representing a tree. That would be, you would be able to see what's inside. If you need to wrap up quickly a folder with presentation and to send it to someone, or just to open it the other day and know what's inside, that's probably your solution. And the fourth application is of the same nature, except it would allow you to zip the folder with the index included. Like, would you need to send it to someone, and you'll have your solution. Thing is that those two indexes you see, they won't give you anything except static picture of what's inside. So to see properly, you have to extract the folder you created, and then inside of it, the same pair would work perfectly for you, showing what's inside. Nothing super much complicated, but still working. Hit me back in case you'd like to hear something more about that, or you are simply interested to develop more on that solution. I'm all yours, or just simply send me a message on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Yours, Kay. Best.